What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Train G's with G. Listen to the Dreadhead Trader with a grain of black salt. Do your own due diligence. Be your own DD. Be your own designated driver. You cannot trust what I say 100%. Know I have your best interests, and I always keep it 100. All right, welcome back, everybody. Shout out to my new subscribers. I'm at around 92. I'm only 8 away from 100. So I appreciate everybody rocking with me. Sorry I've been gone for so long. This video is going to be straight to the point. I'm not going to be covering no specific stocks or crypto. This is free game. And this video is about, you do not need to pay for online courses or in-person courses in order to learn how to trade. I've been in the market investing for almost 6 years now. I started at the end 2019, and I started day trading / swing trading options a little over 2 years ago. I started in May of 2023, and I tell you, I'm still not profitable yet, but I haven't lost much. I believe I lost 1,100 in 2023. Last year I lost about 260, and now I'm currently down about $1,000, like $1,005. So you can say that I paid a little over $2,000 to teach myself how to trade and how to invest, how to read charts as far as candlesticks, technical analysis, learning how to use RSI and volume. Those are my go-to indicators. You don't need 5 to 10 indicators. That's just too much. I'll draw my own trend lines. I taught myself how to look at double tops, double bottoms, flags, whether if they're bull, whether if they're bearish flags, double tops, double bottoms, triple tops, triple bottoms, ascending triangle, descending triangle, etc., etc. What else is out there? Consolidation rectangle. I've taught myself how to use the the risk reward, scale on TradingView, to where you take a position, green is profit, red is losses. I do 2-to-1, 1-to-1, 1-to-2 risk reward. As far as my buying power, I only risk 1 to 2% per trade now. Since I'm down, I'm understanding you have to risk less. You don't have to put up 10%, 20% of your buying power, because that's how you get wrecked if you don't sell out quick enough. And that's how you get completely destroyed if you let trades ride out, if you're putting up too much money. So you don't have to pay to learn how to do Greeks. Like, I taught myself how to read the delta, the beta, the delta, the Rio, what were the 5 Greeks called? Tripping. So you got delta, you got theta, which is your decay, your gamma, your Rio, and your vega. I also taught myself how to read the spreads. I always look at a spread that's $5 or less. If the bid, for example, is $100 and the ask is $105, I like to keep my spreads tight, because if you start buying contracts that have large spreads, which is like, I would say 15 or more, even 10 and up is pushing it, then it's a good chance you're going to overpay on your premium contracts. And this is stuff that I've taught myself through trial and error. Like, I've never blown my account, because I've always been a conservative type of trader. One thing that I did do is risk a little too much for me. I would risk 10 to 20% of trade, and that's why I'm down. But now I literally keep track of the amount of buying power I spend every trade. I journal everything. The website that I use besides YouTube is Investopedia. I literally taught myself every candlestick, every trend line, every Greek symbol. I will look it up on YouTube for the visual, and then if I need to read it and understand an article on a specific financial or a specific trading type of definition or strategy, I will look it up. And that's what I still do to this day. I know I'm not profitable, right? But that's the thing. People don't even realize that I am a California palm tree that is growing. Yeah, I might be a little baby palm tree on paper, right? Like I'm on the soil, but they don't realize that the root underground is like 10, 20, 30 feet long. So I'm just now hitting the surface, getting some sun. And this is why I don't like to tell a lot of people that I trade, because people be dick riding, you know what I'm saying? Like, if I say I made $1,000 today trading, people are gonna be like, oh, G, what do you gotta do, man? Hey, show me the link. Send me that Robinhood thing you're talking about, Webull. But if I say I made $100 or I lost 100 or I only made 20 bucks or I lost 500, then people are gonna be like, oh, you need to pay for a trading course. But they don't realize I'm about tasting my strategy. You know, that I'm working and perfecting my game. So, you know, my advice to all you traders out there, keep it low key. Don't really tell nobody that your day is swing trading. You do not have to pay for a course. Like, for those that have been following me, you can look at any one of my videos and you can literally learn a thing or two for free. And come 2026, it's over with. Like, I already know that I'm disciplined enough to risk only 1 to 2% every trade. I will risk 5 max if I have a huge edge. And, you know, with my crypto, my stock investments, I know the sky's the limit. And I've been rearranging my careers as far as cutting hair and substitute teaching. So people do not realize what I'm doing, and I don't even care at this point. Like, only a few people rocking me and really believe in me, but the rest, it's not that they're hating on me and wish that I'd do bad. It's just they don't see the vision that I have. Like Nip Hussle said, RP to the great, I had a vision that nobody else could see. You know, that's real. But yeah, I'm not gonna hold y'all up too long. You know, I'm on a little lunch break at one of these schools I'm subbing at. Until next time, this your boy, Trading G's with G. I'm out.